Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade from iPhone 7 to the iPhone 8. So first thing you're going to want to do is I'm going to verify that we have the current version installed on the old phone. To do that, you're going to go to Settings and you're going to go to Software Update, and it should say latest version. Right now that's saying version 11. Okay? If you don't have the latest version, you can update that two ways. One directly on the phone, or the second way, you can connect it to your PC, go to iTunes, and then you're going to click on this little phone icon here, and then you can do stuff there. So that's going to be the first thing I'm going to do. Second thing I'm going to do is I'm going to verify with the latest version of iTunes installed. You can do that by clicking Help, and then you're going to go to About. It's going to scroll right up here. It's saying 12.7, so we have the latest iTunes. So I know there's a lot of stuff to do here, but just bear with me. So we've verified those two, latest versions. Next thing we're going to want to do is we're going to do a backup. So again, clicking that phone with your old phone plugged in. Right here, it's going to say backup now. You can see the time right there today at 3:16. You want to do a full backup with your old phone. So we haven't even touched the new phone yet. This is all the old phone. If you don't have a PC or just not enough storage, you can back up to iCloud. I don't recommend it. I have had issues before trying to restore from iCloud, and it can be a pain in the butt. But if you have no other option, iCloud backup is going to be the only option for you. All right, so we get everything backed up. Now we can kind of put this old phone aside. You're going to turn on your new phone, hold the power button, hold the side button down here. That's going to wake it up. Okay, click the language, select the region. So this is now new. It says if you have an iPhone running on iOS, bring it nearby to sign in automatically. If you want to, you can also set up this manually. This is kind of cool. This is new. I've never seen this before. Set up the phone, and we can click continue. Now hold your phone up to the camera. This is kind of a neat way of doing this. So it's going to transfer this information here. I was asking for the passcode of the other phone, so let's put that in. So this is going to activate the phone now. So this is a bit different than the last phone. So this is going to require a SIM. At this point, we can pop the SIM out of the old phone and pop in the new one. Let's try that. All right, to get the SIM card out, you're going to just need like a little paper clip or something like that that's going to fit into the side here. What you're going to do is it's going to be right in the side here. You're going to look. And on this side, and you can do this when it's on, that's fine, or if you prefer to turn the phone off as well, that's right, that's good as well. Basically find this little pinhole, and it's going to slide right out here. Okay, and you're going to do the same thing on the new one. Move this little pin card over here. Alright, SIM in. Try again. Okay, it's asking me, it says could not activate the phone. It's going to ask me to connect to computer. So let's give that a shot. I'm going to plug in to the computer here, and this would have to be done anyway. It's probably because the server is getting overloaded right now with requests to connect to it, because everyone's trying to activate their new phones. Oh, looks like the second try it did connect and work. So here we can set up the fingerprint. Do that. All right, so now we get the restore mode here. So a couple different options. You can set it up as a new phone. You're not gonna have any of your contacts, anything like that. You can restore from the iCloud backup. I don't recommend that. I have had issues with that in the past. And then restore from iTunes backup. That's what I prefer doing. So I'm gonna hit that. Connect to iTunes. I'm already connected into iTunes. iTunes is asking me, welcome to your new phone. Do we want to set it up as a new phone or restore? I'm choosing the backup I just made today. Hit continue. Agree. And this is a part a lot of people have problems with. Enter the password to unlock your iPhone backup. And if you originally set up, or you had a lot of iPhones, you might have set up this backup years and years, I mean, maybe 8, 9 years ago, depending on how the phone, how long you've been using this computer and stuff. So when you first do an encryption, it asks you for a password. If you don't know what this is, you could make a brand new backup unencrypted, but it's gonna take a lot of time, or you could just keep kind of guessing passwords. It's gonna give you like 5 tries and you have to kind of retry, kind of a pain, but put your password in for that. All right, so then once you put your password in, it's gonna ask you to restore from the phone, and this is gonna take quite a while. You know, if we don't, depending on how many pictures and apps and documents you have, this might take an hour, if not more. So just let that go. Be patient with that, and once it's finished, you should basically have your new phone up and running, all your apps moved over, all your data moved over, and you really should not notice too much difference besides the fact that it should be faster. All right, guys, hope you liked the video. If you have any questions at all, feel free to let me know. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. If you have time, please subscribe to my channel. Click here to watch